Today I'll show you how to make Tantanmen, a collaboration with Ikigai Ramen. Let's start by cooking the ramen egg. In a pot, add some water. Once it starts boiling, add the eggs. We're going to cook them for 6 minutes and 30 seconds. Wondering how the egg yolk is always centered in the ramen restaurants? The secret is to stir the eggs during the first 2 minutes. Prepare a bowl with cold water and some ice. As soon as the egg is cooked, transfer it to the bowl. This will stop the cooking process. If you are in a rush, you can enjoy the egg without marinating it. If you have more time, you can marinate them with soy sauce or with the recipe I will share in the upcoming weeks. Time for the meat. Grate the ginger and the garlic. Cut the onion into small pieces. Add a dash of oil in a pan. Cook the garlic and the ginger for a couple of minutes. Add the onion and cook until it starts to brown. Add the minced meat and mix well. Once it starts to turn brown, add the tomato paste, the soy sauce, and for a bit of spiciness, add the tobajang sauce. Mix well and set aside. This recipe is a collaboration with Ikigai Ramen, a passionate chef and ramen lover. If you love this recipe, make sure to check his Instagram account. The soup, so easy, you won't stop making it. Add the low sodium broth and the vegetable milk. Ikigai recommends using nut milk, soy milk without sugar, or oat milk. Add the kombu and the dried shiitake. Cook at medium heat, and just before it starts boiling, turn off the heat and add the katsuobushi. Let it sit for 10 minutes. In a bowl, add the soy sauce, the rice vinegar, the sesame paste, also known as tahini, and for a bit of spiciness, add some ichimi. Strain the stock, add it to the bowl, and mix. The noodles. In a big pot, add water. Once it's boiling, carefully add a teaspoon of baking soda. This will help achieve the texture of the ramen noodles. Add the noodles. Ikigai recommends using those noodles, but any kind of Asian noodles for miso should work. If you can find them, try using the noodles from instant ramen. Cook according package instructions and strain. To plate, simply add the noodles to the bowl, mix, and top it with the meat, some boiled broccoli or bok choy, your ramen egg, sesame seeds, and some chili oil. If you like this recipe, don't miss those two.